Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M23 5G. Okay, let's have a look what's included. So, first of all, we have a white box with some stuff in it, but let us check the phone first. I have the orange version here. It looks pretty nice. This is the back here, and that's the front. So the front is always in black, so the colors just affect the back and the sides. So we have a headphone jack here as well included, and USB Type-C. Let's have a look what we have first in the box. As you can see, not that many. We have here the SIM ejection tool to insert a SIM card and so on. Let's have a look here at the menus. We will have a quick start guide. We have a warranty card, and we have a USB Type-C cable. So USB Type-C to USB Type-C. But as you can see, you have no plug-in. So you have to buy the plug-in by your own. And if you buy a plug-in by your own, you need one which have USB Type-C. So very important, so look for a plug-in with USB Type-C. And we have also no headset anymore included, but I think we're used to already. And the phone is very comfortable. So you have a mobile hotspot, so that means that you can use the phone as a router box to give other persons Wi-Fi. You have a power saving mode in case the battery runs out, also the energy runs out. You have eye comfort tools like a blue light filter and the dark mode, and so much more. You can make screenshots easily. You can record the screen if you want to record maybe a game or something like this and show it to others, or tutorials, or who knows, and so much more. You can also split the screen, by the way. Maybe if you want to watch YouTube and simultaneously you want to surf on Google Chrome, so that's possible, and so much more. And the phone is large, as you know. You cannot reach everything with one hand, but you can also make the screen a bit smaller. And now I can reach everything with my hand here. I can even play games and work, as usual on the phone, just with the mini screen. So very, very nice. I hope I could help you with this little overview here and give you a little impression for the phone. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And you have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me to don't miss a new video. I will show you also some more tutorials for the phone here. And maybe until next time. Ciao.